Disclaimer, educational purposes only. Consult a licensed professional. For advice. Ever seen earwax that looks like garlic skin? That's not random. Most people think it's dirty, so they overclean. But ears are self-cleaning. That dry, flaky wax? It's genetic, dry versus wet type. The real problem is using cotton swabs. They push wax deeper. If you clean, use a gentle tool with visibility, just to guide, not dig. Myth: all earwax should be sticky. Fact: millions naturally have dry earwax, and it's easier to shed. So if ears clean themselves, why do we still feel the need to clean them? Enjoy it.